After 60, your body speaks differently. It doesn't shout. It doesn't demand attention. It whispers. Most people expect a warning to be loud. Pain, illness, something dramatic. But the truth is, the most important daily warning after 60 is quiet and easy to ignore. It might feel like slight heaviness in the morning, a slower start than usual, needing more time to warm up. Many seniors brush this off and say, "That's just age." This daily signal is not weakness. It's your body asking for a different rhythm. If you ignore it day after day, your body adapts by doing less energy, less balance. But if you listen, something surprising happens. Today, I want to show you what this warning really is, why it becomes more important after 60, and how a small daily response can change how your whole day feels. Stay with me, because this is not about fear. It's about understanding your body at this stage of life. After 60, your body still works beautifully, but not the same way it did at 30 or 40. Circulation adjusts more slowly. Muscles take longer to wake up. Balanced systems need a moment to stabilize. This is not damage, it's timing. Your body needs a transition period, especially in the morning. The daily warning many people ignore is how they feel in the first 10 to 15 minutes after waking. Feeling stiff, a bit unsteady, heavy legs, needing a pause. When younger, the body jumped into action. After 60, it prefers a gentler start. Ignoring this doesn't cause immediate harm. That's why people dismiss it. But over time, rushing past this signal can quietly affect how confident you feel walking, how much energy you have by noon, whether movement feels easy or stressful. Your body isn't slowing down to fail you. It's slowing down to protect you. When the body sends a signal and doesn't get a response, it adapts, not by complaining, but by conserving. Many seniors notice less desire to move, avoiding stairs, preferring to sit longer. This isn't laziness. It's the body saying, "I wasn't given time to prepare." Over weeks and months, ignoring the morning warning can lead to reduced confidence, feeling older than necessary, and the hardest part, people blame age instead of routine. The body after 60 doesn't ask for more effort. It asks for better timing. Listening to this daily signal doesn't mean slowing life down. It means setting the body up for success. Here is the most important part of this video. The daily warning after 60 is your body asking for a pause before action. Not rest all day, not less movement, just a pause. Here's the response. When you wake up, sit at the edge of the bed, place your feet flat on the floor, take 2 slow breaths, give yourself 30 to 60 seconds. That's it. This moment allows blood pressure to adjust, muscles to activate, balance systems to engage. Many seniors who do this say, mornings feel calmer, walking feels steadier, energy lasts longer into the afternoon. This isn't exercise, it's listening. Strong aging doesn't come from pushing harder, it comes from responding smarter. After 60, the body becomes wiser. It tells you what it needs, quietly. The problem isn't aging. The problem is ignoring the signal. When you listen, movement feels safer, confidence grows, days feel more predictable and calm. This small daily response doesn't make you weaker. It makes you stronger in the right way. Tomorrow morning, remember this. Sit, breathe, then move. If this message helped you, leave a comment, even just, "I'll try this." And if you want more videos like this,
If you're over 60, listen closely. Your body is not failing you. It's guiding you.